What's up everybody, welcome back to Selinux Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this video in which we are revisiting an old friend, which is HOOX protocol and the HOOQ token, which is obviously the newest child of the Binance Launchpad, and very bullish today. We're up almost 30%, volume is almost up by 300%. Now higher than the market cap, so just felt like I needed to pay it a visit, and I do have some things I need to say about HOOQ protocol and about these moves, so prepare yourselves. First of all, I like HOOQ protocol a lot. All right, back when it came out, back when it was introduced on the Launchpad, I covered it and did a full review on that. I think it's great. I think it's a great onboarding tool. Obviously, they still have things to develop and things to prove. But the idea and the project and what they already have, I think is great, and 100 million in market cap, I think is still undervalued. But that's for the long term. On the short term, there has been some buzz around HOOQ protocol. They recently introduced, for example, this is an article from 3 days ago about the 3 founding pillars in the business sustainability of HOOQ protocol, kind of serving as a roadmap of what they want to do well, at least in the future. They don't necessarily hold on to timeframes, but still. So those are developing the HOOQed social infrastructure, the HOOQed ecosystem, so all of the decentralized applications working within the HOOQ platform, and the HOOQed metaverse, which I am a little bit less enthusiastic about, but still. So go give that a read. If you want to get there, just go to their Twitter at HOOQ protocol and you can find some about that. So they have been updating things, and just in general they have been active and have been doing things. So that's amazing, and that is a reason behind the move we got today. But there is as well some manipulation going on, I believe. I mean, first of all, if you take a look at the price, today at around 5 a.m. in the morning, we received a move of well, from 1.6 to 1.8, which is about a I don't know, like a 10-15% move, somewhere in between. But you can also see that the $10 million in volume was added, which is a 50% increase in a matter of 5 minutes, which is most of the time manipulation. And then you check out the source of the volume. You can also see a lot from Hotcoin, Deepcoin, Tabbit, minor exchanges, moderate confidence in the volume. Usually that means manipulation. So, all right, we just have to take that into account while doing the technical analysis. There's a lot of manipulation in the crypto markets, and it doesn't necessarily mean that we're going up or down. It's just something we have to know. So if we then take a look at the technicals, what you can see is that we had a massive bullish breakout actually above this level right here, between 1.8 and 1.85. It's massive. It's a very nice bullish breakout, to be honest. But the thing now is that we just found resistance at $2, which, I mean, you can also guess why that's strong. It's a really strong psychological level. So what we essentially want to do with HOOQ protocol, or with HOOQ I should say, is break above $2 so that we can take a break retest and get up to our next major resistance level between 2.3, and 2.3 and 2.35. So that's what we want to do, and there's one way in which we could do that, and that is right now we've closed above 1.85 and 1.8. We're going to drop back down there. If we can hold that for 2 days, so let's say until Sunday afternoon, if we can do that, then I think that we've shown that we have enough strength and bullish momentum in HOOQ to be able to break above $2 and get towards 2.3 and 2.35. All right, but the moment, and this is very risky and very possible because of the manipulation, the moment we are dropping down to 1.8 and we can no longer hold it, so we have a bearish breakout and drop down to 1.7, then getting to 2.35 is going to be very difficult. Then we'll probably consolidate here. Sure, we could get back up to $2, but it will be very, very hard to start some sort of or to continue this bullish momentum. And we'll most likely more stay into some sort of a consolidation between, as I said, $2 and 1.7. So yeah, HOOQ today very bullish. We still have a lot of potential to do things, but there are some things we desperately need to do and some levels we desperately need to hold. So that's my take on HOOQ for today. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, but for now, take care and bye.